Hi again everyone, I hope you're all doing really well. I thought I might do a little quick update on a stock and my thoughts are on it that I covered a little while ago on request by a viewer before, that being Senseonics, ticker symbol SENS or SENS. So when I last covered Senseonics, it was basically talking about the potential short squeeze on the news that they were waiting for FDA approval on their continuous glucose monitor, or CGM for short. And when that finally did go through, much anticipated as it was, it ended up triggering basically what was a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and the stock kind of dropped down quite a lot in value. Now what I think now is, given the low levels that the stock is currently sitting at, I think it might actually present quite a good buying opportunity. Currently the stock's at about $1.85, which is not too far off its 52-week low, and you know, we've got the beaten down markets, and you've got to think about health devices are an industry that's going to survive beyond whatever crisis we're going through. People are always going to need to look after their health, and being a continuous glucose monitor serves the diabetes community, and that's a market which seems to just be ever growing. Despite all of our attempts to be healthy, we seem to just be getting more and more people diagnosed with diabetes. Anyway, so I was watching another video before on YouTube, and someone had kind of come up with this estimate that if Senseonics is able to capture 1% of the market for glucose monitors, it would actually see them have a 30-fold increase in their revenue. So obviously it's quite a big market, but 30-fold increase, that's massive. And you know, they're only just bringing that to market like now, so it's going to start rolling out as more physicians take it up through the different medical fairs and stuff they have. But what also might drive Senseonics push to become one of the dominant not dominant, but at least a more prevalent player on the market, is that they're actually also currently working on a 365-day monitor, so an implantable monitor that can last for, you know, a whole year. So that's going to really give them a point of difference. They already have a point of difference of having a very easy to use implantable device, but now they're about to present findings in the next couple of months regarding clinical trials around a 365-day monitor, and I think that could really be a game changer for SENS stock. So with the stock sitting at $1.85, I'm not really looking at the short situation at all. I actually think that Senseonics has the potential to be quite a good stock longer term. So I didn't really participate in the short squeeze before, I just kind of talked about it from afar, but right now, given all the selling off that's been happening, I think Senseonics might be actually one of the better bargains to pick up if you are a long-term believer in the stock. I don't have much free money in my portfolio at the moment, but I may actually look at transferring something from an underperforming stock into Senseonics, because I think there is a bit more potential there than some of the other stocks I'm holding at the moment. I don't always get it right. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on Senseonics. Do you think it's still a good long-term play? Are you in it for the long run, or have you given up on it since the fizzled out short squeeze attempt? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you'd like me to do a proper analysis or just talk about a particular stock that you're interested in, I'm always up for suggestions. I haven't asked for them for a while, but if you've got any, drop a ticker symbol in the description and I'll see what I can do. Anyway, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.